Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Vibrate Vocals and tap on one of those options to access the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate. When you're finished, just go back. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to outgoing call vibration to turn on or off this feature. Tap on this one next to charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable them. And last but not least, tap on the last switcher next to touch vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!